What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be cleaning this absolute stinking car. Just look how stinking it is. Look at them wheels, they look brown. And then yeah, the back is the worst. So yeah, as you can see, I've been through some country lanes and it's definitely needing a clean now. I'm going to be using this stuff. It's called Car God's Fallout Eliminator. Basically in my work I work for Motor Factors and that's one of our key brands. So I'm going to be trying that out today. If you don't know what it is, it's basically like it's like Iron X for wheels, where you spray it on and everything turns purple and it gets all of those like irony, minerally type materials off and all shit like that. But basically you spray it on all of the car, not just the wheels, but you can spray on the wheels as well, which is good. So we're going to be using that. I don't think I'm going to rinse the car before I use it. I think I'm just going to spray it on, let it all turn purple, and then rinse the car and sponge it, and then obviously dry it as well. So yeah, if you are new around here, guys, please smash the subscribe button and like if you do like what you see today. And yeah, I think without further ado, let's just get washing this car. Just poured a good bit of that into a spray bottle because that's what you're meant to do. I just remembered how much it stinks of eggs. It absolutely stinks of eggs. So yeah, if you do use this stuff, let me know what you think of the smell, because it's absolutely disgusting. But yeah, just used the old shampoo bottle that I had. And yeah, we're going to spray this absolute mucky pup. Yeah, so everyone, I just wanted to show you this stuff actually in action. So it works best on the discs, believe it or not. The last one was very good on the time lapse. But yeah, just spray the wheel. And as you can see in there, it's turning purple. That's obviously exactly what you want, because it's getting all that nasty rusty orange type stuff off your wheels. And then, yeah, what's this one like? Let's try the back. Yes, that's pretty orange in there. Just obviously spray the wheel. Yeah, look at that. Absolutely destroying the rust, which is what you want. That's the most likely area you're going to get the type of like brake dust and stuff. And this, well, not this, but yeah, that Fallout Eliminator that I showed you earlier is literally bang on for this sort of stuff. Right, so last thing everyone now, just a cheeky bit of tyre shine. Not that this stuff lasts very long, it's not the best make, it's a random one, but I thought I haven't got much of it left, so may as well use it. Right, so from afar it looks pretty good. There are little spots I miss, but oh well, I'm not a professional valeter or anything, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Fair play, the calipers really shine when they're clean. At first I wanted to change them to red, but I don't know now, they just go too well with the BMW badge really. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep that. But yeah, there we have it. So we are done cleaning the car, everyone. Just a quick little going over really. I kind of wish I put the eliminator stuff on after I'd rinsed it off, so I've learned that for next time at least. But yeah, I also need to get a better spray bottle as well so it can cover like more of an area. But yeah, it was good to see how it turned purple. I've used Iron X before on my wheels, but I've never used it on a paintwork because you're not meant to. But this stuff you can actually use on both, so that's nice. So yeah, next time better spray bottle and also do it after I've rinsed it, and I think this will come up very nice, like a lot better than this time around. And also I'm going to start using the jet wash which we have in the garage, because yeah, the hose pipe just isn't that great. But yeah, let me know if you did enjoy, guys. I'm not amazing at cleaning cars, as I said. I'm not a professional valeter or anything. Usually take it to the car wash, to be honest, to get done. But yeah, I thought today, why not? It's one of those days where it's not too sunny, where, you know, when there's glare on the car it can get annoying. But yeah, let me know if you did enjoy, and I'll see you all in the next one.